Okay, good morning. Going to kan zir to time and distance ania chapter 2 ka kan kirle le don ni atira kan zir map san chu himi chapter a hian in quadratic equation man na kha om do na 2.1 a hian ma 2.2 ate po kan me the chu wa chu quadratic algebra pa nga quadratic equation de ka zir ma zo khani le time and distance as one formula he claim te oma chu class 7 vela 6 8 vela kan zero vector speed equal to distance by time ti te time equal to distance by speed ania la lingzon se te la ka ziak to lo na distance equal to speed into time aron ni ve che ta ni chuan class 9 la kan zero to no 1 km per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second ti le 1 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 km per hour kha khala khia reng tur ania e class 9 ai khara olzo ka de eng mo chena chuan achan chu SI unit kher kha ngai ve to lo heta chuan amaro chu unit kha ai ang tur ania kilometer per hour kan choi jo kilometer per hour in char charang meter per second gan meter per second in char charang meter per second chan tir vek kha angai kher lo ani chuan acceleration kha ron om ta lo ni heta ki de class 9 ai olzo ka de chan ta ka ti de chan chu acceleration om to lo chan hi chu heta hi chuan kan motion hi athil che da hi uniform motion anga kan ngaya acceleration 0 speed kha ngai reng speed kha constant in kan chu zel lo ni kan thil chu ve re kha chu wangin a formula kha olta e ma speed equal to distance by time kha ani ta record me ni tin chu bagal re chu time chu da hi ka ro zi lang to che lo heta hian an soi lang le tai la trade vector nu chu tho ta heng formula hi copy ve le rim la etina time kha no what about the color just let me just change the color time kha indian 1 minute telo dita se da kara chanti kha ngai ta ni da kar kan chanti hour chanti do chuan 1 by 16 ni minute khada kara chan no chuan 60 divide to second ani chuan 3600 okay if time equal to 1 second 1 by 3600 hour ni kha boilo tur ni le theory kha awm vak lo numerical sa kha gan lut ngal lo na example ho kha chu nang mani tia ga da thale renga exercise a khan tlema a challenging de ole a conceptual de ko ron chokle nga aba kha nang mani cho tur ani thil pakhat kan soi le alo kang no exercise 2.1 kha number 2 ka kan chonga this is the question Kate and covers question kha ka type ngai lem lo tum na khan tu kan type sang chewa so that become faster Kate and covers a distance of 54 kilometers in 45 minutes. In what time will she cover 252 kilometers? Hey, Zonaran Kaltani. Kay Deni Khan, game Songa Pali Kalnan, minutes somli pangad, game Songa Pali Kalnan, minutes somli pangadua, and Tigangi came Zani Songa Pani. Kalang itiare nge duang at tita hi kan soi tong khan class 7 vela kan zirto me khania all to a first statement atang hian a speed kan chu chuanga chu speed chu constant nong di kha do ta hian kan manga tai kan chu chu le meo okay given distance ka 54 km kan ne ya time ka 45 minutes so kan soi tong khan hour chantir ngal tu nia 45 by 60. So 5 15 3s are 15 4 or 3 by 4 hour. Now speed kachutela distance by time ania to 54 by 3 by 4, which gives us 54 into 4 by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 is a 24 more, 4 is a 32. 3 4 ones are 4, 72 kilometer per hour hakan meidani. So adot case hakan mangalang. In what time will this cover 252 there? Now we have a new distance equal to 252. Speed kachu hi equals to 72. 72 kilometer per hour. Now time to distance by speed ke mang ve thung tonga. So zero chotale choktele tela 4 6 are 24, 12 4 3 are 12. 4 1 is 4, 32 4 8 are 9 2s are 9, 7 are 7 by 2, 2 3 and half hour. Now head ahead and try to decimal ka man follow the fraction ka war zok tur ni. Oh acha chu 3.2 hour di ka khre thiam har 3.5 te da ga thum le chan ve tia ji khan khre thiam ol minute da chan ti le da ga ol samani. Now look at number 4 ka chocolate there. Maka type to lo me you look at your textbook. Nicholas completes a journey in 10 hours. He traveled the first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour and the second half at the rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometers. A total time ka peni dakar somati. So akong chan veka 21 km per hour chakina kala. Abak chan veka 24 chakina kala. Af kong zong ka kilometer exact ye di ka zona ni tare. Le ale mi ti kan siak de nga. He kalkong khan ni Nicolas kalkong e tranga b ta me te la ela hi chan ve hi si te la ale mi jiak zela mo den thre thiam ol akong chan ve hi 21 chakina kalati 21 km per hour in akala chona bak chan ve dang hi 24 km per hour in le a total hi x kan assume ang a b top hi a b top kha x ti taila x kilometer chuwai a c chu achan ve divide x by 2 lo ni menga c b po x by 2 ni le me ta ni distance kha chu boilam no tro at time kha kan chu chok ve ve nga a le sin car c le bin car time kan chu chok le bok hemi a given mang yat chongan bel kho mang total time ka 10 hours te tat okay ti khan chud all sometime. Now let's see motion from A to C dela. Distance ka kasi dapat x by 2 lo inta. Speed ka 21 mo ka. 21. Time chuchok. Oh, T1 timeng oh ele sinkar ka. Let T1 be time dila. T ka tilo na chan chu helai T dang ron om le do na in an lo tir ha kan du sia C le bin ka T om ve le don sia chu wangin in an lo ka du T1 T2 ka da me ta ne T1 chu d by s lo nya nga gives us x by 2 divided by 21 chu x by 2 into 21 equal to x by 42 hour. Oh, time unit to hour kan tlat. Chuan C to B khen ve motion from C to B. Distance ka kan so dohan x by 2 thonia constant ve ni wangin speed ka 24 minute ka inlet lokla speed 24. Oh, hey, that is 24 km per hour. Time ka t2 ti ve thung tuk meng oh ka siak to lem lo let ti ve ka chu distance x by 2 by 24 equal to x by 2 into 24 gives us x by 48 hour. Le he time pa hi bel khomi ka hian equation khana soi tlat zona khan Nicholas completes a journey in 10 hours ati a tanga b thena hian 10 hours adu tar ne lai kar hi a reason ka 10 hour ani, so just plug in there, but tianga t1 plus t2 equal to 10 hour. T1 chu nge substitute nga lang x by 42 or x by 42 plus x by 48 equal to 10. Now khan LCM kan langa common la pa da LCM la man engza 24 2 3 6 animo x by 6 a common a engela bang 1 by 6 7 ja plus 1 by 8 equals 10. X by 6 7 later 56 animo 8 plus 7 solo ba da payang 8 less 7 no cause 15 no 10 into 6 into 56 finally x equal to 10 into 6 into 56 by 15 5 2s are 5 3s are 3 2 2 2s are 4 4 6 are 24 2 carrier 4 5s are 20 224 kilometer. Okay, kha kan chot hin dan tur chu ti khan number 5 kha in chok theyanga number 5 kha le ding deu leka a total distance a pe thunga chuan khami mang khan a distance ke chu chu ve fenga I bil kho mangar then you will get now the number number 9 dekha len anga number 7 khadin cho thiam mai ka ringa number number 6 kan chok le lo long number 6, what is the question? Jaden is traveling on his cycle and has calculated to reach his home at 6 p.m. If he travels at 10 km per hour, he will reach there at 4 p.m. if he travels at 15 km per hour. At what speed must he travel to reach his home at 5 p.m. Maditani? Zona hi lo share on main Jaden just cycle kalta a dar wat theng turani ke taga khada kilometer soma 10 km per hour chakatlan chuan dar wa thlengang tlai dar wa thlengang dar khata kilometer so panga chakatlan erwa chuan da darlia thleng thung adita eng tianga chaking nge tlanta se dar nga a thlenang tin zota ni heta hian adar kar kha soimi lo pakhat ma he point of time a period of time ka vakhat ma solo a point of time ka soini darlia thleng don darwa thleng don dar nga thleng tu ne zang e adu ti kha zota ni heta hin ria tur chu dar nga thlen don chuan dar nga thlen don chuanin daka darwa thlengai khan dagar khatin huna mangare lo tina nia chuti ambokin darlia kalai khanin darlia thleng turai khan dagar khatin hun ka manghem zok tina ani tel bok ta ni le heta hian thil ngai ringa chu constant chu a distance ni a in hlat zong kha atlan na tanga in kar kha pa ngai ren kha chin chele lo gong a le b kan ti lenga e hi x kan assume le popang o khoi tang atlan chuka soilem lo a school tang puni the school le in kar kha x kilometer kan assume le don ne chuan te na thlan chuanin ta hian ti jong ngai to te le 10 km/h chaka tlang le 15 km/h chaka tlang khanin a time difference ka da ka ni pakhata da karli darli athlenga pakhata dar ko athlenga a difference tian che difference in time taken by 10 km/h speed and 15 km/h speed equal to 2 hours ani de 2 hour khalo chua pakhat dar ruga thlenga pakhat dar li athleng ka ta ka dar ule darling ka da kar ni nia ti ha gan chu chinang a distance gan chu tanga chuan chu da har to lo le enang motion at 10 km/h ka chu tang distance to x ania speed ka 10 time kan chu chogang t1 tile topila t1 equal to distance by speed equals x by 10 hei ta hian atlan muanga hun po du rei thei daru ka thlen kha ni ani le englo khan chu ve chen to so net 15 mo ka 15 km/h distance ka x tho ni speed ka 15 ve thung time chu t2 ta la t2 chu distance by speed equal to x by 15 le kan soi tong khan he t2 le t1 hi ain anglowa t1 hena du radar wa thlenna t2 hi dar li thlenna a difference da ka ni t1 ta t2 ka payang therefore t1 minus t2 equal to 2 or x by 10 minus x by 15 equals to LCM letela 30 LCM 30 3x minus 2x x by 30 equals 2 gives us x equals 60 kilometer a inchu kilometer somru ka hla ani atlan ngai na chu le tu na ka zona to bera dekta ka thleng to eng tinga chaking nge tlan se dar nga a thlenanga ti ta ni a first speed ka chu chu lo a first time ka ta t1 ka ti reng ani ka t1 atang khan t1 hi ka soi dong khanin a reizo khania tatang khan daga khat kan pai me don ni emo t2 hi tang hian daga khat kan bel le me don ni t1 hi let's calculate t1 chu what is t1 t1 is x by 10 x by 10 60 by 10 equal to 6 hour dakaruk adu tinania. Now, in order to reach at 5 p.m., he require 1 hour less than T1 equals to 6 minus 1. T1 dagar khatat lem T1 to 6 is 5 hour dagar nga du ta ni. Chona speed kan zong leng. Therefore speed required equal to distance by time on. Distance by time 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2. 12 kilometer per hour in kause dar nga thlin don. Okay. Now pakhat chia ka dito nga ba chu nang man ni dito. Number 8 ka. Maya in a train notices that she can count 41 telephone poles in 1 minute if they are known to be 50 meters apart. Then at what speed is the train running? Tiang zona hi IIT JEE at pon zo trina point mo ta kani. Le Maya I khanin rela chuanga electric telephone ban ka somli pakhat ka minute khat chuna chiar zo mana meter somnga in ka dan ta se ek tianga chakin nge rel khat lai ta ni le tin telephone somli pakhat in kar tha zo gan chu cho don ni helai te thil confusing de oma ti zo hengai tu ngai tian telephone pakhat pat ni pathum le ka chu chinang pathum le ka soi chinang hele hin ka ri ka soi do khan meter somnga zelin da telephone ban le ban khawa somnga zel chuan emi pathum in kar hi 100 alo in ta ni 100 meters. Chuan palini ta se 50 dang ani me a za somnga pathuma khan multiply 3 le 50 multiply ngai ama khan 2 le 50 ka multiply tro chu wangin 41 post ni chuan I multiply tur chu 40 le 50 de ka multiply tur ni pakhat na tlem zel kha so I get 2000 meter. Oh, so we have distance equal to 2000 meter. Rồi là đắng. Minute khare tia time kha. Time is 1 minute. Minute khat chung in meter sang ni khat lan man ti na ni chu ban somli khat kha kal tlanga chu meter sang ni minute khat chung in. Now let's put this in kilometers. No, direct 2 kilometer chiang mấy time kha. So that 1 by 60 hour. Okay, now speed equal to distance by time 2 by 1 by 60 gives us 2 into 60 by 1 120 kilometer per hour. Rail kha daga khata kilometer sa som ye chakki tlan din ani chu til har sam re re lo let ti kha nang mani ti tura kan da to nga ba ki chu time and distance kha time and time and walk kha next class ka di job dog don ne